Yoo-hoo! Yay! Welcome to the 50th lesson. Yoo-hoo! Welcome to the 50th lesson, and today we will talk about the whole program, all lessons we learned so far. Dastur is program, and I would like to highlight that for so many months we have seen so many different videos, and I would like to go back and revise what kind of videos, what kind of lessons we learned. And if you have joined IBRAT FARZANDLARI YouTube channel just now, this video will be helpful to understand what videos you need to watch, which ones you need to put on for a later time, and which to prioritize. So let's go. I have divided all videos into 8 sections, and we'll start by learning each section. The first section is salamlashish, which means salam, which is greetings. And to learn how to greet another person, we devoted 4 lessons. Number 1, 10 useful phrases. Number 2, where we learn to say good morning, good afternoon, good night. Then we have long greetings where we learn how to say, how are you, how's your family, how's your health? And one more, 4th lesson, where we are putting this all into a dialogue and practicing to learn how to use all this information together in one context. The next section is Alif Ba, alphabet. And to learn alphabet, we have made 3 videos. In one video, we talk about the history of alphabet. And then in the next one, we talk about Turkic languages and compare different languages. And in the 3rd video, we talk about just words in alphabetical order. And for each letter, we have about like 3-4 words. Another section is possessive endings, possessive suffixes. And we have devoted to this also 4 videos. The first one talks about general rules. The second video, which is number 5, talks about specific words that end with k and k, like balak or mushuk. And 6th video talks about words that have second vowel and it sort of drops. And also another alternative way how to say my and your. And there's also a 39th lesson which talks about a song, My Heart, and also comes back to those rules. The following section is numbers and telling time. And for that, 11th lesson talks about basic counting and tens, and then a 12th lesson shows how to put this into practice. And for example, we practice telling timetable, and also the 13th lesson teaches us to tell time in a simple way, and 14th lesson teaches us to tell time in a more prolonged way. And next section talks about men hakamda, about myself. And to learn how to talk about yourself, go ahead, watch lesson number 18. And in 19th lesson, me and my student, we practice and we sort of practice to answer these questions. How are you? What do you do? how old are you? And then there's 21st lesson, which talks about predicate endings, where we learn how to talk about our profession, how we feel, and practice on popular people. And also 29th lesson shares information about family members, how in Uzbek we call grandma, grandpa, aunt, uncle, and etc. And of course, a huge major part of our program is devoted to verbs, grammar, and there are many different videos like tenses, different types of sentences, like question sentences, negative sentences, and present, future tense, devoted into 3 different videos. And then we have I'm going to, I like, I don't like, I did like, yeah, like I liked. So lots of grammar, like imperative verbs, and lots of songs to practice this. So I think for like grammar takes a lot, like huge chunk, big part of our program. And one of the other sections is calendar, weather, holidays. And for calendar, we learn how to say today's Monday, tomorrow was Tuesday, and I have a practice with my student to show you how we do it, how we singing songs to remember. Then we have a lesson devoted to weather, to say, oh, bugun hava yaxshi, today's weather good. Oh, today's weather cold. And also there's Navruz celebration, and the video teaches you how to say Happy Navruz, happy celebrations. And last chunk of our program is, of course, devoted to Suhbat Lashu, which is speaking. Suhbat is dialogue or talk. And we have such videos like grocery shopping, ordering food on the phone, ordering food in a cafe of national food, in a cafe of European food, and lots of different cases where you can practice learning Uzbek in different contexts. So this is it, and next I would like to introduce you a team of people who also took part in making these videos, in making this program. Hi guys, so right now I would like to introduce you to the head of our project, IBRAT FARZANDLARI, Rustam Qarif. Assalamu alaikum, Rustam.
Assalamu alaikum. Hi there, students. I'm really glad and pleased that you suggested me to come here to be in the studio with you.
Rustam is not just the head of our project, he's also the teacher of English. He teaches English to Uzbek learners,
Yeah.
I mean Uzbek native speakers.
This is what we do, like vice versa would say that. But we have a lot in common with her, and she's doing a great job. And I'm here to congratulate you with the, that you already had on in mastering the Uzbek classes. We're really proud of that. We're teaching, English speakers, Russian speakers with Uzbek, language. I hope that you're going to achieve a lot of things in your, life, in your personal life, in education, in everything. May God give you the best one in life and try to achieve everything that you dream, but never stop learning Uzbek language with Saida Rashidova.
Rahmat Rustam. Endi shuni ikki og'iz qilib o'zbek tilida ham ayting, shundoq o'zbek tilida ham eshitishsin
Albatta.
siz o'zbekcha gapirganingizni.
Assalomu alaykum, hurmatli o'quvchilar va o'rganuvchilar. Biz Saida Rashidova xonim, o'zbek tilini o'rgatuvchi ustozimiz bilan birgalikda studiyada turganimizdan bag'oyatda xursandmiz. Mani sizlarga o'zimning shaxsiy tilaklarim bor. IBRAT farzandlari jamoasi, ya'ni maqsadi nima deb so'rasangiz, ular biz ilm atrofida insonlarni bir joyga jamlash va bu maqsad atrofida yuzlarni mingga, minglarni esa millionlarga aylantirish maqsadimiz. Shunday ekan, siz ham ular millionlarni ichida bo'lishingizni tilakdoshimiz. Hayotingizda eng yaxshi narsalar hamrohingiz bo'lsin va hech qachon Saida Rashidova o'zbek tili darsini o'rganishdan to'xtamang azizlar. O'zbek tilini Saida Rashidova bilan IBRAT farzandlarida o'rganing.
Ulug'bek bilan biz birga eng birinchi, eng qiyin 20 ta darsni birga qilganmiz. Ulug'bek 5 tashang. Rahmat sizga.
Sizga ham rahmat ustoz.
Ulug'bek, keyingi eng qadrli xushchaqchaq yordamchim Marjona. Marjona bilan birga biz ashulalarga, o'quvchilarga boy, eng qiziqarli darslarni olganmiz. Marjona, rahmat. Bo'lganingiz uchun rahmat. Eng oxirgi pitsa, taksi, grammatika, suhbatlashish, maqollar, ibrat, hamma darslarni biz birga Javohir bilan qildik. Javohir, kattakon rahmat, sabringizga rahmat, men bilan birga ishlaganingiz uchun rahmat. Kechalari Uxlamaganlaringiz uchun ham rahmat. Malades. Jamoamizning muhim a'zosi, xatolarga mas'ul muharririmiz, asal qizimiz Parizoda. Parizoda, sinchiklab hamma narsani o'qiganingiz uchun, menga yordam berganingiz uchun katta rahmat.
Sizga rahmat.
Va hamma videolarimizni zerikmasdan, charchamasdan, qirqib, qiylab montaj qilgan Fazliddinni chaqiramiz. Fazliddin. Doim siz bilan birgamiz. Men video olaman, siz uni birga yopishtirasiz, uni montaj qilasiz. Kattakon sizga rahmat. Shuncha mehnatingiz qancha odamlarga tegdi. Rahmat.
Rahmat opa. Charchamang.
Rahmat. Mana shu insonlarga, IBRAT farzandlari jamoasiga o'z nomimdan o'zbek tili rivoji uchun qo'shgan hissalariga rahmat demoqchiman. Hurray! Tabriklayman! Muborak bo'lsin. Nimaga? 50-dars